So this is the Grommet installation kit from Harbor Freight Tools. It's about $5. You get 104 pieces, and we're going to try it out. So here are all the parts you get for your $5. You get the grommets themselves. Here's the part that has the barrel. Here's the flat part. It's very much like a washer. You have your base plate. You have your cutting tool, and you have your tool that you hit, I guess, with your mallet. You have some instructions right here. Also has this backing plate, but I have an old cutting board I'm going to use that I think will be a lot easier because the cutting board is a lot bigger than this. So let's try it out. So here's the tarp where I want to place the grommet. I'm using an old plastic cutting board. I have a rubber mallet, the cutting tool itself. So first I'll cut a hole in the tarp. Now what we'll do is grab base plate, grommet part with the barrel, stick it right there. Put the top part on, make sure it's situated correctly in the base plate. That looks good. We're using this right here. And here's the end result. We've got our grommet. There's one side. There's the other side. I did one earlier, so they look the same. I think the trick, at least for me, was using a rubber mallet. I would use a rubber mallet or a wooden mallet instead of a regular hammer. And doing that seems to help as far as making these look nice and uniform. But that's about it.